The smallest off-road vehicles you won't believe exist are rewriting everything people think they know about adventure, engineering, and what actually counts as a real machine capable of tackling mud, sand, snow, rocks, and wilderness terrain that even full-size 4x4 trucks struggle with. Because around the world, designers, tinkerers, hobbyists, and small manufacturers are pushing the limit of how tiny a vehicle can be while still delivering jaw-dropping off-road performance, and the results are beyond anything most outdoor enthusiasts have ever seen. Imagine something the size of a large suitcase ripping up a steep dirt trail, a microquad bouncing through forest ruts, or a compact crawler, barely bigger than a child's bicycle, climbing up boulders that would stop a Wrangler or Tacoma dead in their tracks. These miniature machines are not toys, even though many of them look like toys at first glance. They are fully functional off-road beasts designed with high-torque electric motors, oversized knobby tires, gear reduction drivetrains, heavy-duty suspensions, insane power-to-weight ratios, and frames that are engineered for maximum strength with minimum size. And part of the magic behind these ultra-small off-road vehicles is that they take advantage of physics. A lighter machine puts less stress on the suspension, less strain on the drivetrain, and can climb or descend extreme slopes without the danger of tipping that larger machines face, allowing designers to experiment with angles, will travel, and power delivery in ways that simply aren't possible with full-scale off-road rigs. That's why we're seeing an explosion of micro off-road innovations, from pint-sized all-terrain scooters capable of blasting across sand dunes, to portable tracked crawlers that can fit in the back seat of a sedan, to tiny side-by-side style vehicles designed for adults, but engineered to be smaller than most children's go-karts. One of the craziest examples is the rise of miniature electric dirt bikes, built with aircraft-grade aluminum frames, disc brakes, and torque-rich brushless motors that deliver instant power and incredible throttle response. Many of these bikes weigh less than 50 pounds, meaning they can rocket up hills and navigate tight trails where full-size dirt bikes simply can't go. And because they're electric, they're almost silent, which means you can ride them in more places without disturbing wildlife or neighbors. Another category that is blowing people's minds is micro ATVs, tiny quads that look like scaled-down versions of serious racing or utility ATVs, but are engineered to handle real terrain, real obstacles, and real off-road punishment. Some feature independent suspension on all four wheels, deep tread tires, and surprisingly powerful engines or electric motors capable of hitting 25 to 40 miles per hour off-road, which feels incredibly fast when the vehicle itself is barely 2 feet wide. Adventure travelers love these micro ATVs because they're small enough to load into an SUV or onto the back of a camper without needing a trailer, making spontaneous off-road exploration incredibly easy. Then there are micro-crawlers, tiny articulating rock crawlers that use extreme gear reduction, giant tires relative to their body size, and pivoting chassis systems to climb over logs, rocks, and slopes that would terrify even experienced 4x4 drivers. They move slowly, but that's the point. The incredible torque and small size allow them to conquer obstacles that full-size off-roaders can't even attempt, and they're quickly becoming the favorite tools of explorers who want to reach remote, rugged trails without the cost, maintenance, or risk of running a huge vehicle. And it's not just hobbyists pushing the limits. Several small manufacturers around the world are producing limited-run ultra-compact off-road vehicles for hunters, farmers, campers, and survivalist communities who need lightweight, reliable machines that can navigate narrow forest paths, swampy terrain, or rocky hillsides. Some are powered by high-efficiency four-stroke engines designed for industrial tools, while others use cutting-edge electric motors that deliver massive torque at low speed, perfect for hauling gear or climbing tricky terrain. One of the most mind-blowing trends is the creation of foldable off-road vehicles. Yes, foldable, built with hinged frames and quick-detach wheels that allow the entire machine to collapse into a compact shape that fits in a car trunk. Yet once unfolded and locked together, these machines perform shockingly well on dirt, gravel, and mud thanks to their rigid frame geometry and high-traction tires. In snowy climates, Mini snow bikes and portable snow track vehicles are surging in popularity. These tiny snow machines often use a single front ski and a rear track powered by a torquey motor, giving them the ability to zip across powder, climb icy hills, and weave between trees with incredible agility. Some of them look like the offspring of a snowmobile and a child's scooter, but don't let the size fool you. They can travel miles into deep wilderness where larger machines would bog down or get stuck. Then there are the off-road mobility platforms, ultra-small single-rider track machines that function like wearable transportation devices. Imagine standing on a small tracked platform, leaning forward, and effortlessly gliding over mud, snow, sand, or grass while the machine reads your movements and adjusts power accordingly. These devices use smart sensors, gyroscopes, and advanced traction systems to keep the rider stable and moving forward, making them perfect for both recreation and practical use in environments where larger vehicles can't go. And because they're so compact, they can maneuver through tight spaces, between trees, around rocks, and along narrow ridges that would be extremely dangerous for full-size off-road vehicles. Meanwhile, in the DIY community, creators are building tiny off-road contraptions powered by leaf blower engines, chainsaw motors, repurposed mobility scooter drivetrains, or brushless electric setups originally designed for drones. These home-built machines are some of the most creative and extreme examples of tiny off-road innovation, ranging from small track carriers to little two-wheelers that behave like micro-motorcycles. Some of them look rough, but their performance is jaw-dropping, especially when you consider how cheaply they can be built. And because they're light and simple, they're perfect for experimenting with suspension geometry, exotic tire designs, and hybrid drive systems. But perhaps the most exciting thing about these miniature off-road vehicles is the freedom they offer people who want to explore outdoor terrain without spending tens of thousands of dollars or hauling trailers and gear everywhere. They allow more people to experience the thrill of off-road riding without the intimidation or maintenance of full-size machines. They're accessible, affordable, lightweight, and easier to store, transport, and modify. Many riders say these tiny vehicles make off-road adventure feel more pure. There's something uniquely fun about blasting down a trail on a machine you can lift with one hand, or climbing rocks with a vehicle that looks impossibly small but performs like a scaled-down beast. And because innovation in batteries, motors, and lightweight materials keeps accelerating, the next generation of tiny off-road machines is only going to get more extreme, more capable, and more surprising. Every year, new designs appear, some commercial, some experimental, some homemade, and they consistently challenge the boundaries of what off-road vehicles are supposed to be. So the smallest off-road vehicles you won't believe exist aren't just novelties. They represent the future of rugged, compact, lightweight adventure technology, proving that in the world of off-roading, sometimes smaller really is better.